Ransomware is one of the most common and profitable forms of cybercrime, yet a lot of people don't know how to spot a ransomware attack. The good news is that if you know what you're looking for, these attacks are easy to spot and avoid. One of the most common ways for cybercriminals to spread ransomware is through phishing emails. These are fake emails that try to fool you into opening an attachment or clicking on a link, which then installs ransomware onto your device. Would you be suspicious if you received an email like this? This is a common type of phishing email. Even if you have been contacting a company called Acme, the email address doesn't match the company name. If you haven't had any contact with this company, then you should be even more suspicious. Look at the time the email was sent. Would you normally expect to receive an invoice at this time? If you are dealing with a multinational company, it's certainly possible. However, it is still suspicious. The subject line and the content of the mail try to make you click before thinking. Words like urgent, immediate, and froze are used to make you panic. However, the spelling and grammar mistakes give us a clue that something isn't quite right with this email. The attachment is very suspicious. A PDF document should never end in a .exe. An exe file is a Windows program, not a document. Also, the link is very unusual when you hover over it. Notice the domain name. Why would Acme use ACRNE for their website? It's probably because someone is trying to disguise fraudulent activity. If you were to click on the link or open the attachment, there is a good chance that ransomware would be installed on your system. Ransomware is also spread through fake online advertisements, known as malvertisements. These are usually offers that are too good to be true. It's often a cyber criminal trying to tempt you into installing ransomware. It is estimated that over 90% of phishing emails and over 70% of malvertisements contain ransomware. Remember, the advice is simple. Always thoroughly check emails before opening links or clicking attachments. Best practice is that if you receive an email with an attachment or a link from a company, go directly to their website and log in. If there is no record of what they sent you, contact their customer support. Keep in mind that online ads that offer amazing products at discount prices are not worth the risk.